Hello. So today we're going to continue with our lesson. Just as we did last week for the song "Your Goodness Is Running After," we learned it very easy, very simple. So we are going to build on the same song um, for some time. But for today, I'm going to teach you just two passing chords. So the one you can tell that on the four, the closest note to the four is the three or the five, or sometimes it's sharp four. But for today, we are going to use the three, and the three we are going to use the one on the three, like this. Okay, and the next chord that we are going to apply is from the five to the six. So you can see that the closest note to the six is what we have: the A flat or the B flat, and we have the G and then the A. But for today we are going to use the A flat because we are from the G going to the, or the 5 going to the 6. We will use this chord here. Okay, we'll use this chord here. Okay, the sharp 5 chord here to the 6, the 6 minor. Alright, so last week this is what we did. We did your goodness is running after, is running after me. Your goodness is running after, is running after me. And my life laid out, I surrender. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, is running after me. So for today's class, we're going to add in the three. Okay, so this is how we're going to start it. Look, your goodness. Okay, again, it's your goodness is running after, is running after me. Straight to one of the three. Your goodness is running after, is running after me. Okay. When my life laid out, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. Alright, you saw the way I went from the 5 to the sharp 5 to the 6. Okay, so da 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 da, I surrender now. I give you everything. 1/3. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Okay, so I'm going to play through once again.